So everything you just watched was lit entirely with one small portable light from Zhiyun, the Zhiyun Molus X100. Now, full disclosure, Zhiyun did send me this light, so big shout out to Zhiyun. But one key function that actually made the whole shooting process way more fun and possible was being able to get my mobile device connected to the Zhiyun app and control the brightness or whatever kind of effect I am using to the light itself. Because instead of me running back and forth from camera to the light and adjusting my settings, having that mobile app made things just so much easier. Now, there are a few things that I just don't really like about the light, and there's a few things that I absolutely love about the light. We're going to get into those reasons right now. Now, one thing that I don't really like about the light is the on button. There's actually like a little safety knob that you have to turn, but I kind of feel like that is something that works into our favor. If we have the light in a camera bag or something like that and we press the power button, you also have to turn the little knob to fully turn on the light. And I think that is like a little bit of a safety thing in order, if you're putting this light away in a small little bag and you accidentally hit that power button, you're not going to just be draining that battery when you don't really need it. So that's kind of like a pro and a con to this light. One of the other pros that I absolutely love about the light is the portable battery grip that comes off of this light. It obviously snaps back in, but you can easily charge this light by USB-C, and there's also a power button on the light to tell you how much juice you have left. And one thing that I like about the battery grip is it holds a lot of power. I was able to shoot that entire short film with only 1 bar of battery. Now, this also depends on how much power or usage you are putting out into the light. And I think I probably had around 25% of brightness for majority of the short film. The kit that I got from Zhiyun was the Pro kit or something like that. You get a few different accessories. And I mainly only shot with the one accessory, and that's going to be the barn door attachment. It snaps on like a normal mount would, but then the barn doors go onto that mount magnetically. And the reason why I used this mount was because I mainly wanted to shape my light instead of having it spilt throughout the entire image. And you can see this by when the door opens. I had like a slit of light coming through the barn door, kind of shining directly only onto the alarm instead of entirely on the door. The other attachment that I got with this kit was the regular standard mount for this light, because this is not your standard Bowens mount. It's like a mini mount. The kit that I got had that mount to your standard Bowens mount. If you want to use like this small little portable light and you have your traditional style Bowens mounts, you are able to mount those mounts with this light. Now, the bag that this light came in is made out of nice material. It reminds me of like almost like a leather suede type of material. Now, this is the battery grip that I mentioned earlier in the video. It also reminds me of like your standard battery grip for your cameras. And I think this is where they kind of got that idea from. Could have been, who knows, but I feel like this is an awesome little accessory that comes with the camera to fully power on your light. The little Octabox diffusion that comes with this lighting kit comes in a small little bag like this. It's going to be the mini mount that comes with my lighting kit that Zhiyun sent me. I feel like this is going to be very handy if you're lighting into small places, or if you're doing YouTube videos like this and you don't have that much room. I feel like using this softbox will be very handy in smaller areas. Now, that's the end of this video. If you're interested in checking out the links on where to purchase this light, I'll have them in the description below. We'll see you guys on the next video.